Hello everyone, welcome to Maak channel. Today we are going to draw a little sleeping baby. Babies are very lovely and cute.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
They are especially charming when they sleep.
Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing.
Babies usually like a certain doll or toy. This baby also has a giraffe doll that sleeps with each other every night.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are
The baby has a beautiful sleeping cap.
ringing. Ding dong, ding dang dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother
These two
John.
are sleeping on the clouds.
Morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Are you sleeping? Are you
The moon and the stars are reading them a night story.
Morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong, ding dang dong, ding dang dong, ding dang dong.
Well, let's go slowly to coloring.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you
A beautiful green sleeping cap.
above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Very cute pink pajamas.
Little star, how I wonder what you are.
We use orange, brown, and yellow colors to color the giraffe.
When nothing shines upon, then you show